Hello Fanatics! With our review of Overlord coming out, we decided to share a few films to watch. If you liked it, enjoy. Dead Snow is a horror comedy directed by Tommy Wirkola, starring Heppie Beck Larson, Charlotte Frogner, and Jenny Sclatfan. It follows a story of a group of medical students on a ski vacation who find themselves confronted by Nazi zombies. This film has similar story elements, characters, tone, and style. There is graphic violence throughout. Trench 11 is a war horror directed by Leo Sherman, starring Corinne Vanassi, Rossif Sutherland, and Rob Archer. It follows the story of an Allied army unit led by a shell-shocked soldier who is sent to investigate a mysterious abandoned German facility located deep underground. This film has similar story elements, characters, tone, style, themes, and atmosphere. There are some violent and intense scenes throughout. Inglorious Bastards is a war drama directed by Quentin Tarantino, starring Brad Pitt, Diane Kruger, and Eli Roth. It follows a story of a group of Jewish US soldiers who work with a theater owner in a plan to assassinate Nazi leaders. This film has a similar style, characters, tone, and atmosphere. There are many extremely violent and intense scenes throughout. Saving Private Ryan is a war drama directed by Steven Spielberg, starring Tom Hanks, Matt Damon, and Tom Sizemore. It follows the story of a group of US soldiers who, after landing in Normandy, go behind enemy lines to find a paratrooper whose brother died in combat. This film has a similar style, characters, tone, and atmosphere. There are many extremely violent and intense scenes throughout. Shutter Island is a mystery thriller directed by Martin Scorsese, starring Leonardo DiCaprio, Emily Mortimer, and Mark Ruffalo. It follows the story of a US Marshal who investigates the disappearance of a murderer who escaped from a hospital for the criminally insane. This film has a similar style, tone, themes, and atmosphere. There is nudity and intense scenes throughout. Hopefully you like some of these films just as much as you did Overlord. If you have any films you'd like to recommend to us or the community, or you want to tell us what you thought of these films, let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you like this video and you want to see more, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Check out our latest Film Fanatic review where we discuss the film Overlord. Don't forget to follow us on our social media. And until next time, Fanatics, keep it real.